Work and work energy theorem. Let us try to find the final velocity of the block by assuming that initial velocity is 0. For this, we will apply work energy theorem. As the horse kicks the block, the block falls down under the effect of gravity. The work done by the gravity on the block is equal to the product of mass of the block, force of gravity, and the height of the cliff from where the block fell down. The work done on the block is equal to change in its kinetic energy. Since the initial velocity of the block is 0, so its initial kinetic energy is also 0. Hence, the total work done by the gravity is equal to the final kinetic energy of the block. Thus, we can find out the final velocity of the block if the height of the cliff is known to us. If we suppose the height of the cliff to be 100 meters, the final velocity of the cliff from the formula comes out to be 44.27 meters per second.